Yes.
Very simple. The writ filed by the petitioner has been rejected on the ground of delay only.
माइक
I don't. Yeah, what is it?
माइक में बोलिए सर, माइक में.
Lordship, the writ
आपकी
application.
लिमिटेशन तो मैं कंडोन कर देता हूँ, but make out a case first.
Lordship, the petitioner applied for Lordship.
Under which provision?
Lordship, under the provision of the state government that the soldiers shall be allotted plot of,
Show us. Show us that provision.
and according to
Any
that.
Gair Mazarua land can be claimed by a soldier.
Lordship, the
Under
order-
which provision?
Lordship, it is under the provisions
And
of
now
land.
the anti-encroachment proceedings have been initiated against you.
That is wrong.
22 years before
That is
the
wrong,
proceeding
Lordship.
was started.
The order of settlement was finalized by the
Show us.
commissioner.
Show us where was the finalization of the settlement.
Commissioner's order is Lordship annexure 5.
ये कौन सा प्रावधान है? Let us see the resolution of the government or any decision, any law, any statute by which Gair Mazarua arm land is given to a person who has retired from military,
Under the
and 2 acres of land, 3 acres of land.
Lordship,
Why
under
this
the
distinction?
Under the provisions of Land Reform Act, circulars have been
दिखाइए
issued by the.
हमको. Show me a circular.
See, it was not the.
We are not
question.
inclined to enter. We will dismiss this petition on limitation. Rightly, the single judge has
But Lordship,
summarily rejected
all the
your
government,
petition.
government authorities, including the panchayat, from the panchayat up to the commissioner,
We
has
find
approved the settlement order.
we have a prima facie opinion. I don't know. We will not say a definite opinion. We
And
have a
the-
prima facie
and
opinion
that-
you are trying to forestall the process of eviction as an encroacher.
No, Lordship. The matter went up to the honorable court.
We are not inclined, Mr. Gajendra Kumar Jha, unless you can show the circular to us.
Since this was not the
Then
issue.
what is your right? What is your locus? The court is right. Let us see the order of the learned single judge.
Lordship, it is.
He writes, the petitioner wants that the proposal for settlement of certain piece of land which began in the year 1992 be taken to its logical conclusion in the year 2020.
No, Lordship. That is there.
Is that circular, is that arrangement still valid?
Lordship, it is state. I can file a
Then,
supplementary
then why,
affidavit.
how could your writ petition be entertained even for rejecting the same in the absence of that document showing that this is the scheme of the government?
Lordship, or the government authorities have accepted my contentions.
Who says?
No, it is the orders.
Where is the order? The order was passed by the learned single judge without hearing the other side. We don't know. There is no counter affidavit on record.
Lordship.
So therefore, you are under an obligation to bring to us or before the single judge any written
Then
format
I will-
of the
Lordship,
circular.
I will file relevant document, relevant circular of the government, showing the process for
Where
settlement.
is that? We are non-suiting you today. You will not get an opportunity to argue further.
Lordship, may look into the order passed by
Mr.
the.
Jha, you understand what is passing on in the mind of the court. Now, in the first instance, you have not made out a case, even for rejection of your petition in the first instance.
Lordship may look into annexure 6.
What is that annexure, Mr. Jha? I am surprised.
That is the
In
order
fact,
of
I am
the
only
Honorable
regretting
Court.
why did I not join the service of a sepoy? Huh? After retirement and taking salary for 15 years, no, you get hold of 2 acres of land, which is Gair Mazarua Am land.
That is also the government policy. That is
Shows
government policy.
Shows the policy.
Because it was not in question before.
Shows the policy.
I can file supplementary
No,
affidavit.
it should have been here now.
आज तो
This
मेरा
petition has
reply
been
ही
filed
नहीं.
in 2021. We are in mid 2022. We are dismissing it on grounds of limitation. You are not serious about your case. Here.
All the lordship, the claim of the petitioner has been affirmed up to the commissioner or the revenue authority, right from the Anchal Adhikari up to commissioner, and it was also upheld by the honorable court.
Look here, the prayer made on behalf of the appellant before the learned single judge for issuance of a direction for finalizing the settlement of Gair Mazarua Arm land appertaining to CS plot number so-and-so, CS khata number so-and-so, corresponding to RS plot number so-and-so, RS khata number so-and-so, situated in village so-and-so, which process had begun in the year 1992. did not find favor and the petition was rejected on the ground that such process could not be that no kibosh, K-I-B-O-S, no kibosh could be put on such process after 30 years, after 38 years. Stop. Against the aforesaid order, the appellant has preferred this appeal after a delay of how many days?
Because due to the non-functioning of the court.
ग्राउंड्स में आप डिले का डेट नहीं देते हैं. हाउ मेनी मंथ्स, हाउ मेनी इयर्स? दिस ऑर्डर वाज पास्ड ऑन
It was filed
2020. You have filed this appeal on
5/1/21.
26/2/2020. You have filed this on registration 3/2/2021.
Functioning
Almost a
of
year.
COVID में functioning
तो
interrupted.
ठीक है, क्या लिखा है पढ़िए. After a delay of about a year. First up, the Land Council for the appellant seeks to justify such delay on the ground that the court proceedings were disturbed during the pandemic days. First up, be that as it may, on merits we are not inclined to entertain the present appeal as we do not find any fault with the order passed by the learned single judge. First up, it appears to us, छोड़ देंगे, सब लिखा है कि encroacher है. The petition,
There was an order of
the
the
appeal,
Honorable Court to maintain a status
the
quo.
appeal stands dismissed but without any order as to costs. चलिए next.
सिले 7 में